my name's Gwenna and I'm the Care Career Coordinator for We Care Wales. I work across the north in its entirety, so from Gwynedd to Wrexham. Today I'm joined by Felicity, who works in Denbighshire County Council. Would you like to introduce yourself, Felicity?
I'm Felicity Chandler, and I'm an organisation development specialist in Denbighshire County Council. So I mainly look at recruitment and I support all the managers throughout the council in any sort of recruitment need that they have.
Great. So tell us what you've been doing differently in Denbighshire to recruit people to work in the care industry.
So normally our traditional methods have always been application form, and then we shortlist, and then we interview. So it's quite a traditional way of doing things. So we changed things up a bit for care, and we've been running workshops instead. So people will call up the HR team and book a slot, and then they get invited into a day. So it's normally about 4 hours in total. And they get to meet other residents, and we do a number of different activities with people. We always start off with a bit of an icebreaker because it's just a bit of fun, and then we just do a number of tasks. So it could be talking about values and ranking the values that a care worker has, and we do that as groups and things, and we get the residents involved as well. So people that are interested will then spend some time with the residents, helping them to take part in games or for everybody involved. We do have an interview, but it's very, and it's more just of a chat, just to see if we can match somebody to the right job. And then at the end of it, that's all the scary stuff done. So so it's no longer daunting for people to go through it. And we just call people up at the end of the day to basically say whether they have or haven't been successful. But we have found that a lot of people do end up getting jobs in this way because it's a much more informal way. So we tend to actually see somebody's personality, and we get to know people a bit more, and they get to know our residents as well, which I think is always a good thing to do.
Yeah, like you said, I think it's less daunting for someone that's being interviewed to be with people that they're caring and having more activities. I think it's easier for them to see what kind of role it is in the future and stuff as well. Kind of thing. I think it prepares people better maybe than a traditional interview in a way, kind of thing. What type of roles do you recruit through this new way, do you think? Is it exclusively to some roles, or is it a lot of different roles within care, kind of thing?
Well, we have a number of different roles within our care teams. But we tend to use this method more for the entry level positions. So maybe people that are just thinking about coming into care, or people that are maybe have a little bit of experience, but not too much. So we tend to recruit to daycare assistants and night care assistants. And I think we've also recruited a couple of reablement staff. So they're people that obviously go out into the community and provide short-term packages of support and care for people at home.
Ah, that's great. So after using this method, what would you say is the benefits of using it, kind of thing? So maybe this will inspire the people to use it. What would you say is the benefits of using it rather than the traditional method?
Well, I think there's a big focus on values-based recruitment at the moment. I think that's really important for recruiting into this sector, really, in this type of work. So using this method, it's all values-based. So we're not really that concerned about people that have got years of experience or that have all the qualifications already, because we can provide those as an employer, but it's really difficult to find people that actually share the right values to genuinely care for people and put the right level of support in and approach people in the right way. And I don't think that you can get that through a traditional interview process. Whereas if you spend 3 or 4 hours with somebody and you see them interacting in a much more relaxed manner with residents, with other staff, with us, and everything that you're looking for is values based. I think that this really shows that, and we've seen a big change actually through recruiting in this manner, and the staff that we're bringing on board now, actually they do have those values that we need, and they've made amazing assets to our team.
Yeah, that's great. Seems like it makes recruiting and retaining a bit easier. It, like you said, you find people with the right values, and in turn, you know, you're getting a quality of staff as well, but you know that you're getting people that want to actually work in the care sector as well and stuff, kind of thing, that they bring something new to the role and stuff as well, don't you, really?
Yeah, absolutely. So Dinbych is also set up as a gateway body now as well for the Kickstart scheme. So I know that we're doing a lot of work with the job centre with the Kickstart scheme, and we're looking at hosting different placements. So we're also hoping as well that by having these Kickstart scheme placements in care, that could also provide an opportunity for people to see if it's the kind of job that they want to do and start developing those skills, because I think it's really important that as an organisation we support our communities, whether that's you know, the residents that we support, or whether that's people looking for employment, or whether that's people in school. I think it's really important that we actually showcase that health and social care is a viable career opportunity for people. So I think hosting something like a Kickstart scheme placement, I think, is a brilliant opportunity to do that. So I think that's something we're going to be looking at definitely utilising as well.
Felicity, thank you very much for your time. It's been great talking to you. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.